We need to find the voltages at node 1, 2 and 3 as marked in the circuit, and we will use node voltage method for the purpose. So first I will write nodal equation, that is KCL equation at node 1. So node 1, the voltage, let's say it's V1. So the outgoing current this through the 30 ohms resistance is like that, and then the 60 ohms resistance is like that, and then 500 milliamps, so I will write it in amps, so 0.50. So that's there. Now we observe that because of the presence of this current source instead of a resistance here or some other element, because of the presence of current source, we can directly write the outgoing current from this node in this direction, and that's why the other node voltage does not come into the equation, and we have an equation where we have only one unknown, so we can directly find that unknown. So basically if we do it, 1 over 60 and then this one is minus 0.5, we can solve this equation right away as there is only one unknown. The V2 doesn't arise in the equation because the current is already given in this direction. We don't have to write V1 minus V2 over the resistance. So there, and it become times 0.049, approximately 5, and this is minus 0.5. So the voltage becomes minus 10 volts. That's V1. Now we write the nodal equation for node 2. Here we this current is V2 over 50 plus V2 over 25, which is this one, and then finally this current is an entering current, so I will write on the other hand side maybe. But before that, what we observe is we have to write this voltage V2 minus V3 over 100, but we can see from observation we can write the voltage V3 is 50 volts because this is no ground here, and from ground to 3 volt only node 3 there is only a rise of 50 volt because of this voltage source. So V3 is 50 volts, we can write that directly, and once we know that, even here we can write V2 minus 50 over 100, and this one is on the other hand side 0.5 amps the current directly. Now here as well we don't have any other variable, just one variable V2, and that is because this V3 we know from observation from the circuit, we can write that directly. So we have here V2 over 50, so basically we have 1 over 50 plus 1 over 25 plus 1 over 100, and then this one is 0.5, 50 over 100 is 0.5 negative, it goes on the other hand side, so it like that. So we can write that V2 is equal to 0.02 plus 0.04 plus 0.01 like that, and this is 1, and then V2 becomes 14.28 volts. So we have all the voltages. V1 is negative 10 volts, V2 is 14.28, and V3 directly from observation 50 volts.